child lock feature. Just like your kids playing with it, you can just lock out the actual all buttons during the cycle or before you even start by holding child lock. To unlock it, just simply press again and hold. If you turn the dial, you will see that it remains locked, even though the cycle hasn't even started. None of the options are available because it's locked out. Turn it off, and the actual time for the selected cycle will come up. Let's do this again. So it's 2 hours 10. Child lock. Turn this program 5, which is 55 minutes. Turn it off. It's 55 minutes comes up. It's great, it locks it out. You can also press play and then press child lock. Turn the dial and nothing happens. If I turn it off and reset the dial, nothing happens and it remains locked on the same cycle. So you hit the play pause and the cycle still remains locked on whatever setting this is on. So this is now set to 60 minutes. Also reset the dial. I can reset the program by just simply turning it to any other program and it resets. So that's the child lock feature for you and the resets for you.